Handmade gold leaf sticker. Dried flowers to design unique stickers. Press for 10 days. Draw the perfect moon. Draw 2 circles, a large one and a small one. You can use normal PVA glue, then attach the dried flowers. Take a photo of your artwork and edit it to shape in Photoshop or any other editor. For gold leaf, I recommend to use gilding adhesive. Apply the adhesive with a thin brush. Apply gold leaf when adhesive is transparent. Wait for at least 30 minutes before brushing off the gold leaf. Handmade stickers from dried flowers is a great way to create a unique memory. To create a water-resistant sticker laminate, use hot or cold lamination. What do you think?